Hey, how we doing, everybody? It is a beautiful day here in the Cheesy Moon Workshop. In this video, I want to let everybody know that I'm going to be going live this Saturday at 6 p.m. Going to do a live giveaway in recognition of hitting 1,000 subscribers. We have surpassed that. Had a great response to the video I posted with Kevin, the Knife Doctor, and I. Tons of people have commented. I appreciate all the good comments. A bunch of people have subscribed. I welcome all the new subscribers. And I just wanted to thank the people who have subscribed to my channel, new and old. Some of you guys have been with me from the very beginning, and I truly, truly appreciate them. Here's what I have going on. This is the, there's going to be two first prize. You have a choice, and then I'll draw again for the second first prize. First prize is this K-bar that I replaced, put wood handles on it, and a zebra wood with a Purple Heart spacer down the center. This is a K-bar 1237, made in USA. Great knife. The next, or the optional choice of first prize, is this very nice Civivi. Yep, China made, but that is a great knife. Wicked sharp. New in this box. I don't have the original box that it came with, but all the paperwork and everything's in there. So these are basically first and second prize, depending on what you choose. Next, I get this Folding Hunter. It's a marbles. Then I have this little German Creek knife. And lastly, this Gerber cap. So those are the 5 prizes for the giveaway. It's going to be live Saturday night at 6 p.m. And it's going to be very simple. I'm going to have a number taped to the back of each one of these, and we're just going to do a random, pick a number, 1 through 100 for each one of them. I'll pick a couple guys to help be moderators on this, and hopefully we'll have some fun. I only have done one other chat, and that's when I gave away 5 knives at 500. I'm going to do 5 prizes at 1,000. So again, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I welcome all the new people. I hope you're not just here for a prize. I hope we're here for the long haul. And, there we go. Please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and above all, have a beautiful day.